When he met us at Assos, we took him aboard and went on to Mytilene. The next day, we set sail from there and arrived off Chios. The day after that, we crossed over to Samos and on the following day arrived at Milet. I love the VIP experience! I love peach drink. I kept getting peach juice because I had unlimited drinks. I'm your Sopiyaya-Your, pretty traveler. We're cruising on the Aegean Sea. To 3 different islands. We're going to take pictures and go shopping. Yeah. Let's go! All aboard! Hi everyone! We're on the cruise ship and we're in the VIP lounge because we got upgraded. Because apparently my mom wanted to upgrade to VIP, which had to cancel it and then re-order it. And then we realized that it has lots of stuff, so we just bought it again. Now we're VIP and we get unlimited drinks, and I love it because I love drinks. So I got this peach drink, really good. We get a free tour. And I'm gonna go shopping when we get down. Because there's 3 islands. I know, I already said that. Anyway, it's very big and it's very spacious. And there's a good view. And we can go anywhere except the top. Because it's for private people, which is the one you can upgrade to another private suite. Which I don't want to do that. But there's even a bed there, but I don't think I'm going to use it. But so it's a good thing we didn't upgrade to that. But good thing we upgraded to VIP because it's really good. And we got these bracelet things that tell us we're VIP. And yeah.
80 lang yung kids.
Oh, that was good.
So, ilan pa pera mo?
380 lahat. 120 tayo plus.
Oo, that's a lot cheaper.
Tama ba? Nasa 380? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we just got a discount. Because we thought my brother would be too old because he's 17, but it's good. We're both 80. So that means 160, 360, 360. Huh?
Kung gusto niyo mag-dress ka lang,
960, 360,
I'll put my stuff on the floor.
380. Yeah, it's 380. The actual amount meant to be 440. But yeah, we got discounted. It's good. So proud of that. Anyway, there's our own bar and there's 2 waiters that always serve us. And we can ask for anything we want. It's really nice. So we got these are all my other ones, my family's drinks. We got coffee, but I got peach juice. Yeah, it's broken.
No. So just keeps. Can I taste one before I order?
Okay.
You have unlimited.
Okay, fine.
At too much though, baka magsuka ka. It's gonna get, mamaya.
Yeah, but still, this peach is good. It's good. It's fresh.
It's 3 hours before our next stop yata. So,
3
iwan mo na
hours?
lang yung gamit natin dito naman.
Yeah.
Which one are we cruising?
3 hours.
Hydra first, and we have free tour. Yeah, they said?
Are we gonna do the tour?
The guided tour.
Okay.
No, we don't do other tours now.
You are so lucky.
We spent here. Yes, Daddy. Let's not do other tours now. We spent na here.
Yeah.
There, I got you.
Let's just picture
Okay.
on the island.
See you guys. I'll keep you updated.
And shopping, ah.
Yeah, this is the Wi-Fi password.
Yeah. 3 hours is a long time, but we had unlimited drinks and some snacks on the cruise. We also slept before our first stop. No, no, no. Aya, stop. Say hi. Where are we?
Bonjour.
Aya.
What's it called? Je suis. No, no. Yasui.
Yes.
Yasu.
Yasu. Yasu.
Ano
Yasu.
yun?
It's German. It's not German. It's Aya.
Is that actually recording?
Can you just say hello and where we are?
Is that actually recording?
Yes.
Please.
Anyway, no. We're in the first island, and we're gonna go to a walking tour. So yeah, and we have to be at the boat before 10 minutes at the boat, or we're getting left behind. So yeah. Alright. Let's go back to my brother, who's just gonna keep doing his jawline thingy. Say nope.
That makes we should do good fish.
We're almost near our first stop. Our first stop is Hydra.
Walking tour, le promenade à pied. Three. Walking tour, le promenade à pied.
Mama, where's the walking tour?
Yeah.
Behind.
Stay please under the shade.
Under the shade. Mama, under the shade. Come on.
Picture mo na.
This is the walking tour. We learn about Greek buildings, even the first ever movies in Hydra.
For the emergency, they call helicopter from Athens with helicopter. And this building is a donation from the church to the people, the citizens of Hydra.
This is the Church of the Assumption. It is a small little old church in Hydra. I lit a candle for my Lola and prayed for my Owa.
Some sisters live there. But after passing the time, we go up to the mountain, and now we have one place. And there's a small boat under, but says to us it's a gift from a rich captain. Those St. Mirrors belonged to the husband of Maria Duaneta. Everybody knows Maria Duaneta, right? After, yes. After revolution. Yes.
How are you enjoying your food, my baba?
Yeah.
Aya, how's your food? Aya?
Very good.
How about you? You still have lunch to sit?
I'm gonna save it my stomach for dessert. How about you?
Ubus.
We had a 3-course meal when we came back to the ship. We are now heading to the second stop.
Let me know. Yeah, that's why we don't like Mateo. No Mateo. The other side,
Sa kabila ka daw mag-video, sabi niya.
skip.
In Poros, we took a lot of photos and explored the island. Finally, we made it to Aegina. We did lots of shopping here and especially ate the famous pistachio. I have a video. Hello everyone. We're boarding off now. Go to our hotel. I love the VIP experience. I love peach drink. I kept getting peach juice because I had unlimited drinks. Just kept drinking. So yummy. But the business class, they're more noisy because they have more people. They're singing so much songs. And the VIP, we're just relaxing and not noisy. And no one can hear us.